How do plants respond to their environment? Through physiology. When you're hot, you sweat to cool down. And when you're tired, you go to sleep to wake up refreshed. Well, plants do a similar thing in their kind of environments. Have you ever noticed how plants from a wet environment compare with dry environments? This is one way that plants are different in different environments. For my work, I look at plants and how they change through deep time, how they evolve. You may know that plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. They do this through tiny little holes on a leaf surface. Over time, these holes can get bigger or smaller and more or fewer depending on the environment they find themselves in. These holes in the leaves are called stomata, and the word stomata means mouth. When you open your mouth really wide and take a big deep breath, does it feel different to when you open your mouth only a little and take a big deep breath? For me, it felt a lot easier to take a big breath with my mouth wide open. Plants can get more air into their leaves as well if they have bigger mouths or stomata. This is really helpful when the CO2 in the atmosphere is low. At the moment, CO2 in the atmosphere is about 416 parts per million, but in the past it's been as low as 180. So imagine how big the stomata would have to be to get enough CO2 into the leaf for photosynthesis to make energy. Plants also adapt to high CO2. You may know that CO2 is increasing in the atmosphere at the moment, and so stomata that are smaller are more likely to survive in this environment, leading to an adaptation to high CO2 of smaller stomata. And this is one way that plants are able to adapt to different environments. But remember that not all plants are going to be able to adapt this way, which may lead to extinction of lots of different plant species.